Have you guys heard of this In Beauty lip oils? If you haven't, well, now you have heard about it. And if you have heard about it but don't know about all of the shades, you will see all the shades in this video. Let's go and get started. The first one we'll be trying is called Mystery Glaze, and this is clear with a tinge of pink. The Mystery Glaze smells like a subtle candy. It is like sweet, but it's not too strong, and it's like a nice scent. Ooh, I think I like it. This one is called Fruit Punch, and it is their newest one, and this one has a tangerine tint.
I really like this one. I love the tint it gives your lips, especially if your lip color naturally is a pink. Put the orange over it, it looks gorgeous. It's like a pinky peachy beautifulness.
This one is called Cookie, and by golly, does it smell like a cookie. This one is definitely the more tinted ones, even though it's nude, and it definitely feels like a lip gloss, but also lip oily. And it smells so good. This one is Candy Apple, and this is their first lip oil. The Candy Apple smells like an apple. It smells like a caramel apple actually. But this one and the Mystery Glaze are the oils that I usually use the most. The next one is called Berry Jam. As you can already see, my bottom lip is more pink than the top one. This Berry Jam one has a fuchsia tint to it, but still, I still think it's like clear with a subtle color tint. But nevertheless, it definitely looks different than if you would, let's say, compare it to this one.
This one is called Merlot, and it is the darkest one.
With this one, you definitely can tell that it has color.
Wow, I really like this shade too. This definitely gives me like some black honey vibes, right? Clinique, you are so popular that everybody has this shade now.
Now we are going into the shimmery shades. These ones are definitely just clear, but it has sparkles in it. This glazed donut one specifically has gold and blue sparkles. This one smells really good too, but this shade is my least favorite one. It definitely looks too milky for me. It definitely has like a bunch of pink sparkles. They're very tiny. It doesn't look like the one from the glazed donut. It's definitely more fine and definitely micro sparklies, but there's a whole bunch of the pink thingies, and it just doesn't look really good on my skin tone personally. This one is like whitish clear, but it has red and pink sparkles. This one is definitely the same as the glazed donuts in the formula, but yeah, this smells Christmassy and slightly minty, but not really. It's like a great scent, but not too overpowering. I wouldn't personally wear it by itself. Maybe this one. This one is my favorite. The glazed donut is my favorite. But yes, I have worn this with over lipstick, and it looks so good. Oh, it's so good. Okay, I really want to see the Frosé with a lipstick. So this one is the Giorgio Armani Beauty in 116. Ooh, okay. See what I'm saying? Over lipstick, it looks so good. Before I put this back in the bottle, every time you put it over lipstick, please wipe it off so that you're not putting the lipstick shade in your beautiful lip oil. Now it's all clean. Well, those are all the 9 lip oils from In Beauty project. It's so awesome. I started with Mystery Glaze and Candy Apple, and now I can't believe I have all of them. So whenever they come out with a new one, you can definitely bet that your girl will get it. Have you tried any of these In Beauty lip oils yet? If so, which shade do you love? And what do you think of the formula itself? And also, it's $17 each, which is half the price of the Dior lip oil. Don't get me wrong, I love the Dior lip oil. I actually finished the whole bottle, okay? But I definitely recommend these a lot more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Check out this video right here. This is a lot of swatches of the KVD Beauty Everlasting Hyperlight Liquid Lipstick. I will see you there, and don't forget, have a beautiful and a wonderful day.